sponsor House Bill number 5286 and would like to stress the need for a disability support allowance to uplift the lives of PWDs and their families and give them a fair chance at a decent standard of living. As a parent of a 15-year-old with rare disease and is a person in a wheelchair, I am aware of the barriers and difficulties of families with a PWD as a member. While existing laws such as the Magna Carta for PWDs provide discounts, tax exemptions, and some health coverage, one thing remains missing: regular financial support to help cover the extra and recurring costs of disability. House Bill 5286 aims to close this gap by creating a disability support allowance program that will provide a monthly 2,000 stipend to eligible persons with disabilities. This support will help cover disability-related expenses and uphold their right to a dignified life at home, in school, in the community, and at work. For its initial rollout, the program will prioritize children with disabilities and adults with significant disabilities, especially those who are indigent or covered by existing social protection programs. This ensures that the limited resources of our nation go first to those who need them most, while building a pathway for broader support in the future. Your Honors, this may be a modest proposal, but to thousands of families, it represents hope, relief, and dignity. So, with this, I respectfully ask for your strong support for the timely approval of House Bill 5286. Maraming salamat.